So we're going to take a look at our third example here, which is also about an isosceles triangle. You're going to want to take a minute to write this problem out if you don't have it written down already. So you're going to sketch an isosceles triangle. You can mark the legs congruent. The base angles theorem allows us to also mark the base angles congruent. And again, we always have two base angles and one vertex angle. So you can get yourself set up here. We know the measure of the base angle is going to equal something. The measure of the base angle, and we've got the measure of the other base angle, and we've also got the measure of the vertex angle. So let's take a look at what they say. They say the measure of the base angle is 6 less than 1/2 the measure of the vertex angle. So if we call the vertex angle x, then we could say the base angle is, and we're going to go 6 less than 1/2 the measure of the vertex. So 6 less than 1/2 x if x is the vertex. We also know that the other base angle is going to be a repeat. So you're always going to have two base angles the same, so this guy is also going to be 1/2 x minus. So let's utilize the triangle sum theorem, where we know that the three angles are going to have to sum up to 180 degrees, and we're going to have one of them is 1/2 x minus 6, another one is 1/2 x minus 6, and we have a third one that's x. And it's just a matter of basic algebra from here. Again, some people may choose to want to multiply this entire equation by 2, and I'm just going to show you what that next line looks like. You've got 2 times 1/2 x is x, 2 times -6 is minus 12, and we keep going. 2 times 1/2 x is x, and we get a -12, and then we get a 2x, and then we get a 360. So that's probably not the most efficient way to solve this equation, but if that's the way you're comfortable doing it, then so be it. So you're going to combine like terms here. You're going to have x, and 2x makes 4x minus 24 equals 360 degrees. We add 24 to both sides, giving us 384, and then we divide by 4, and we going to equal 96. And now we just have to find what the measures of the angles are. So we know the vertex angle is then going to be 96 degrees because it is x. We're going to take 1/2 of x, so half of 96 is going to be 48, and we subtract 6 from that, and we end up with 42 degrees. I'm going to change colors here. 42 degrees, and this is also going to be 42 degrees. So we have 42, 42, and 96, and if you add those three angles up, you will see that they do sum up to 180. So again, the angles are 42 degrees, 42 degrees, and 96 degrees.